Hello future CAs, welcome back to my channel. Today we are diving into a crucial topic for all CA final students. The common mistakes made in the indirect tax laws that can cost you those precious marks. As revealed in the Success at CA Exams BOS update. These are the errors that have tripped up even the best prepared students. So if you are aiming to ace IDT in the upcoming November 2024 exams and avoid falling into these traps, stick around, take notes, and let's get into it. If you are new to my channel, I request you to subscribe and hit the bell icon below so that you can get notified whenever I post any new videos. So following are the common errors noticed in the previous exams. In case of computation of value of supply, give proper reasoning for each and every line item. If any line item is not to be considered in your calculation, then explain clearly in notes. For example, if there is any line item for which no treatment is required to arrive at the answer, mention in notes as to why. Just mentioning includable, excludable will not suffice. You should clearly mention in the notes as to why you are including or excluding a particular line item. In case of reverse charge services, if they are given as outward supply, it should immediately strike you as tax is payable by the resident and not by the supplier, for whom you are computing the net GST payable. Reverse charge for supply of goods are also included in the syllabus. It's given in the statutory update, hence go through these provisions carefully. In case of inward supply, subject to reverse charge, please note you cannot use input tax credit to pay GST liability on these supply. The GST on reverse charge inward supplies must be paid in cash, and ITC cannot be utilized against this liability. Sometimes in question, the inward supply and outward supply are not given separately. They are given in the same table. That time you must be very careful in your computations. Read the questions carefully. Most items may be relating to 1 month and only one line item may be relating to another month. For example, in case of a case scenario based question, there are many line items pertaining to the month of September and some line items relating to October. But in the question relating to that case scenario, they are asking to compute only for the month of September. That time you have to consider only the line items pertaining to September month in your calculation to arrive at the answer. In value of supply chapter, it has been mentioned that when interest is collected from customer for delayed payment, it should be considered inclusive of GST unless otherwise mentioned. But in exam, you should read the question clearly. In case in the question it's given explicitly that the interest is exclusive of GST, you should treat it as given in the question and proceed with the computation. In most of the cases, it was noticed that error was committed in case of treatment of scholarship. Hence, read the provisions relating to scholarship. And that's it. By being aware of these common pitfalls and avoiding them, you are already on your way to improving your performance in IDT. Remember, attention to detail and staying calm under pressure can make a huge difference. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and share it with your fellow CA aspirants. And subscribe for more insights and strategies. Keep working hard, stay positive, and I will see you all in the next video. All the best for your exams.